Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to explore the Buttons tab in our WordPress Blocksy customizer. Okay, so as you can see, we have a fresh website here, and we have a button over here, and we have a few buttons over here for our products. So let's go ahead and see how the Buttons tab in our layout column options affects these. So up here on our top toolbar, we have our Customize button. Go ahead and click on this, and it should take us to the WordPress customizer. Okay, once we're here, let's go ahead and click on General, and you can see the second option here is Buttons. So let's click on that, and we have, well, two tabs here, General and Design. Let's go ahead and scroll down to our buttons over here, over our products, okay, these add to cart buttons. And let's go ahead and customize these. So minimum height, 40 pixels. Okay, we can change them to be a bit taller, right? And we have these three buttons over here. We have desktop, tablet, and mobile. And for mobile, we might want to make them bigger or smaller. So probably bigger, so it's easier for people to press on. And when we're on desktop, we can have it a bit smaller because we have a bit more control with our mouse, our cursor over here. And we can also enable or disable the hover effect. And let's see what that does. Let's refresh our preview here. Sometimes the preview isn't so responsive because it has to communicate with the servers and everything. So sometimes we just have to reload that. And well, that doesn't really do anything for these, so that's fine. And then under Design, we have our font color, our background color, and our border. So for our font color, we can change it to a red just to keep things visible. And when we hover over it, it turns white. And then for background color, something contrasting with red. Okay, maybe gray, and then when we hover over it, we can have it black. Hey, okay. And then for our border, we can customize our border here. We can change the colors, of course, right? And then we can change the thickness. So this is in pixels, I believe. So we can say 5 pixels, and you can see it's a bit bigger. And then for padding, this is just the spacing. Let's link all of these, and then let's say 10 pixels. And you can see it adjusts it. And then for this, this is the border radius. So you can say if I set 10 pixels as well, you can see it rounds out the buttons a bit more. So once we're happy with that, let's go ahead and click on Publish. And that should save our changes. Okay, we're back on our site. Let's go ahead and reload it. And you can see now that we have different, well, we've customized our buttons on the whole website. So this applies to the whole website, not necessarily our products, but for all buttons on our site. So you can see even this main one here, the colors changed a bit. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.